Hello everyone, let's find out if the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G has an SD card slot. So let's take a look inside the SIM tray. As you can see, the tray has only SIM 1 and SIM 2 slots. There is no SD card slot. So the Samsung Galaxy A56 does not support SD cards. Unfortunately, storage expansion is not possible. This phone comes in 128 gigs or 256 gigs internal storage versions. So if you take a lot of photos or videos, it's best to choose a higher storage model. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Bye.